Unraveling the mystery of pilfering. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of words and phrases. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the word pilfering. It's a term that you might have stumbled upon in books or perhaps heard in a conversation. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily English. So, let's get started. Pilfering is a word that stems from the action of stealing, but it's not just any kind of stealing. When someone is pilfering, they're stealing things of relatively little value or in small quantities, often doing so repeatedly over time. The key here is the sneaky and minor nature of the theft. Unlike a robbery or burglary, pilfering is subtle, and the items taken are not usually significant by themselves. It's like someone repeatedly taking pens from the office. Not enough to be a serious crime, but still, it's stealing. The word pilfering has a rather interesting history. It comes from the French word pilfer, which means to steal. Historically, it was used to describe thieves who would steal small items that they could easily hide. Over time, the word evolved and made its way into the English language, where it has come to represent the act of minor theft without much confrontation or violence. Now, let's put our word into action. How do you use pilfering in a sentence? Here are a few examples. The employee was fired for pilfering office supplies over several months. During the busy market day, the pickpocket was caught pilfering wallets. You might not notice if someone is pilfering grapes in the supermarket, but it's still wrong. In these sentences, pilfering is used to denote the act of stealthily taking something that doesn't belong to the person taking it. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can help you grasp the full context of pilfering. Here are some synonyms: stealing, thieving, swiping, filching, snatching. And here are some antonyms: giving, returning, donating, contributing, restoring. Using synonyms can help you avoid repetition, while antonyms can help you describe the opposite action or behavior. We hope this exploration of pilfering has added a new word to your English vocabulary arsenal. Remember, the distinctiveness of pilfering lies in its subtlety and the minimal value of what's being taken. Use it when you come across small acts of theft, and you'll be applying your English skills like a pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.